Well, here's a look at the material we're working with today. Got a few pounds of some Arizona hard rock.
Yep.
Look at those quartz crystals, just giant blades.
Ooh. I love crystals, Dad.
We're gonna break them up, crush them up, pan them, and see if there's any gold in them. I've done some repairs on my crusher. Let's grab that and show you. All right, we got some new shackles on there, welded them, and then I added a larger bump there at the bottom. I did a few beads, tried to build them up there so we get a little bit closer engagement. The other shackles were a tad bit longer. So we've got some new shackles, some new wear beads, and we've got some grease in her. So time we bolt this up, gonna get some of these rocks worked down to about this size so we can feed it to the crusher.
Even this size.
Yeah, we'll crush that one a little bit with that hand crusher.
Yeah.
All right, let's get it. All right, change of plans. This thing's getting sidelined. I gotta rebuild the whole bearing and all this other whatnot. But we're still not gonna let that get us down. We're gonna pulverize it by hand. Let's get it. All right, let's give it the small stuff. Give it a crush. Oh man, that stuff just blows up. Nice. Good stuff. That's, you know, a few smacks. Pretty good. There's obviously some bigger stuff you're gonna want to work down. Ideally, we get it all like that. All right. I'm gonna break up those other rocks by hand and give them a crush the same way I just did these. All right, I'm gonna take a break here and show you why I'm selecting this rock to run. Look at all those bugs. It's heavy, it's fuggy. That's what we're crushing. Crushed up a nice little amount here. Let's get a peek and see what we can see. See if there's anything golden at the bottom of our pan. Whew. Warm. think that's gold. It just looks yellow and golden. Yeah, I think those were some sort of pyrites.
I love pyrite.
You do?
I do.
Yeah, I don't think that was any gold. So, no gold in that sample. We still have a lot of the rock to go, but most of that's going to be the gold quartz.
That was gold cut nice.
Say it again?
That was gold cut nice.
Yeah, cool. Still got all this large amount of the sample, but it's like I said, it's mostly this quartz, crystalline quartz. All the vuggy stuff was smashed pretty easily. Not to say there's nothing in here, but that was a decent sample try anyways. We got a little bit left in here in this tray. I'll run a few more smashes and run one more pan and we'll see if we get any color. Yeah, that ain't gold. I'm not calling it gold. I'm calling that pyrites. We gave it a try. Now, we can't always find gold on our little trials and tribulations in gold prospecting. That's why they call it gold prospecting and not gold finding. Same thing with fishing. I met someone, I forget who it was, but really good analogy with fishing and gold prospecting. So there's a little one for you. We're in the lab here really quick. Behind the scenes action. Got some Cali green in large rock form still. Oh, that's heavy. Show you some of the goodies down in there. That's from the trip, but there's some hard rock we were pulling out, Brian and I, from that adit we were in before the old Rose mine. Oh yeah. We got that old Rose mine pay dirt. It's been really fun watching people go through this here. And it's surprising how much rock is in this stuff. Cali Crush. Oh yeah. And then, of course, Big Bug, The Unknown, Hacienda, all the good stuff. Alright, that's it from here. We'll catch you on the next one, guys.